Today, we will be looking at why the Procolored F13 Panda DTF printer is a smart investment for anyone serious about apparel printing and custom merchandise. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the Amazon link to this printer in the description below. This A3 direct-to-film printer is designed for creators who want consistent results without spending all day on maintenance. Right out of the box, it feels like a complete solution because you're getting the printer, oven, and ink bundled together, which saves time and extra setup costs. The white ink circulation system is one of its biggest strengths, as it helps prevent clogging and extends printhead life, something every DTF user worries about. Print quality is impressive with 1440 by 1440 dpi resolution, producing vibrant colors, sharp text, and smooth gradients that look professional on finished garments. The built-in cutter and improved roller feeder reduce film waste and feeding issues, making daily operations smoother and more efficient. Automatic cleaning every 10 hours is another major plus, especially for small businesses that want reliability without constant manual checks. Preheating and film adsorption further help maintain stable ink flow and consistent output during longer print sessions. On the downside, print speed is relatively slow at about 1 page per minute, so this printer is better suited for small to medium workloads rather than mass production. It also requires a proper learning curve, especially if you're new to DTF printing, and Windows-only software support may limit some users. Still, when you balance the features, bundled value, and solid warranty support, it offers strong long-term potential for apparel brands, print shops, and side hustles. Pricing can feel high upfront, but the reliability and reduced maintenance can pay off over time.